Self-storage has historically been a laggard when it comes to implementing technology. Still is to this date. Now we're starting to see a large amount of private equity funds coming in to the vendors and services around the self-storage space, buying up technology companies that have a lot of data from their management softwares, insurance companies, even the implementation. I know AI is a buzzword right now, but even the implementation of artificial intelligence and sequences inside of the self-storage softwares. So for example, we use a certain software that does kind of three main things that is pretty amazing. So number one is dynamic pricing. It will see seasonality. It'll see the occupancy of competitors. It will see how often people are Googling self-storage in a certain geo-tagged location. And if it all of a sudden it sees a spike of that keyword hitting, it can automatically adjust the pricing on our site to capture some of that increased demand at a higher profit number, just like airlines, right? If you try to book a flight 3 days ahead of time, that's going to be a lot more expensive than booking it 6 months ahead of time, right? The second thing is the ability to analyze current customers for increases in monthly rent. So for example, the software can go through and say, hey, let's score everyone from a score of 1 to 10 on how likely they are to absorb a price increase on a monthly basis. Maybe the guys that are, pay late every month and pay in cash, and there's always issues, most likely they're not going to be the ones that absorb that price increase. But if, let's say, someone pays on an Amex credit card, Platinum, every month, it's on auto credit, they have an open social media that you can see online, traveling first class, that person most likely is not even going to notice an increase on their monthly statement. And then what the software will do along those 1 to 10, it'll say, hey, here's how much we recommend increasing the rent on this tranche of numbers. So 1 to 3, no price increase. 4 to 7, moderate price increase. 8, 9, and 10 will increase their rent pretty substantially.